In the vast and intricate theater of the natural world, a relentless race is run every single day. It is a race for survival, a race for a meal, a race against becoming one. Here, speed is not merely a measure of movement, but a fundamental currency of life itself. From the boundless skies to the sprawling savannas and into the mysterious depths of our oceans, evolution has sculpted creatures capable of astonishing velocity. These are nature's speed demons, organisms that have pushed the very limits of biological possibility, their bodies honed over millennia into perfect instruments of acceleration and agility. For these remarkable animals, every sinew, every feather, every fin is a testament to the unforgiving pressures of their environment. To be fast is to be a successful hunter, to evade the clutches of a predator, to secure a future for the next generation. It is a high-stakes game where a fraction of a second can mean the difference between life and death. The adaptations required for such feats are nothing short of miraculous: streamlined bodies, powerful muscles, and senses so acute, they can perceive the world in a blur of motion that is, to them, crystal clear. In this journey, we will explore the lives of three of our planet's most extraordinary champions of speed. We will witness the breathtaking dive of the Peregrine Falcon, a living missile that plummets from the heavens. We will run alongside the cheetah, the undisputed sprinter of the terrestrial world, a flash of spotted gold across the plains, and we will plunge into the blue abyss with the black marlin, a torpedo of muscle and might. Together, let us marvel at these paragons of pace and understand the delicate balance they hold within their ecosystems. High above the earthly stage, a different kind of drama unfolds. Here, in the endless expanse of the blue, reigns the Peregrine Falcon, an avian master of aerodynamics and the fastest animal on our planet. Its dominion is not measured in territory on the ground, but in the vertical miles it commands. From a lofty perch, its vision, many times more powerful than our own, scans the world below. It is a patient hunter, waiting for the precise moment, the perfect opportunity to present itself. This is not a creature of idle wandering. Every movement is precise, every glance filled with purpose. When a target is spotted, often an unsuspecting pigeon or starling far below, the transformation is instantaneous and utterly breathtaking. The peregrine launches itself from its roost, not in a chase but in a calculated gravity-fueled plummet. It tucks its wings, shaping its body into a perfect teardrop, a living projectile designed to cleave the air with minimal resistance. This is the stoop, a hunting dive that has been measured at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. At this velocity, the world becomes a streak of color, a blur that only its specialized eyes and brain can process. The physics of such a dive are staggering. The air pressure at these speeds would rupture the lungs of most creatures, but the peregrine possesses bony tubercles in its nostrils that regulate the airflow, allowing it to breathe without damage. Its nictitating membranes, or third eyelids, sweep across its eyes to clear debris and maintain moisture, all while it keeps its prey locked in its sights. This is not simply falling, it is a controlled, guided descent of immense power and precision, a biological marvel honed over millions of years of evolutionary pressure. As it nears its target, the falcon makes minute adjustments with its tail and wingtips, steering with an accuracy that would be the envy of any aeronautical engineer. The impact is devastating. It often strikes its prey with a balled-up foot, stunning or killing it instantly in a puff of feathers, preventing injury to itself from a mid-air collision at such incredible speeds. The falcon then circles back, catching its meal as it falls, a testament to its extraordinary coordination and timing. It is a display of lethal elegance, a perfect union of potential and kinetic energy. Beyond its personal prowess, the peregrine falcon plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. By preying primarily on common and abundant bird species, it helps to control their populations, preventing overgrazing of vegetation and the spread of disease. Its presence is an indicator of a healthy ecosystem, a top predator that ensures the stability of the avian community below. The sky's sovereign is not a tyrant but a vital regulator, a beautiful and terrifying force for equilibrium in the natural world. We move now from the boundless sky to the sun-scorched plains of Africa, home to the fastest land animal on Earth, the cheetah. This is a creature built not for endurance but for a single explosive burst of speed. Its entire anatomy is a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering for acceleration. A long, slender body, a small aerodynamic head, an unusually flexible spine that acts like a spring, coiling and uncoiling with each stride. Every part of the cheetah is dedicated to the chase, a fleeting, desperate sprint for survival in a land of giants. Unlike other large cats that rely on brute strength and ambush, the cheetah's strategy is one of pure, unadulterated pace. It can accelerate from a standstill to over 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, an accomplishment that rivals the world's most advanced supercars. During this explosive run, its stride can cover an astonishing 25 feet, and for more than half of its time in motion, all 4 of its paws are off the ground. Its long, muscular tail acts as a rudder, providing counterbalance and allowing for sharp, sudden turns in pursuit of agile prey like gazelles and impalas. But this incredible gift of speed comes at a great cost. The chase is an immense physiological strain. The cheetah's body temperature soars, its breathing rate skyrockets, and it expends a colossal amount of energy in a very short period. A sprint lasting more than a minute can be fatal. After a successful hunt, the cheetah is utterly exhausted, vulnerable, and must rest for a considerable time before it can even begin to eat. This is a life lived on a knife's edge, where the reward of a meal is constantly weighed against the risk of total exhaustion. This vulnerability is a key aspect of the cheetah's existence. Its slender build, so perfect for running, leaves it at a disadvantage against more powerful predators. Lions, leopards, and hyenas will often steal a cheetah's kill, leaving the exhausted sprinter with nothing to show for its monumental effort. This kleptoparasitism is a major challenge, forcing the cheetah to hunt during the hotter parts of the day when other predators are less active, further taxing its delicate physiology and pushing it closer to its physical limits. Today, this magnificent sprinter faces its greatest challenge, us. Habitat loss, driven by human expansion, has fragmented its hunting grounds, forcing cheetahs into smaller and more isolated pockets of land. This increases conflict with farmers and reduces the genetic diversity essential for the species' long-term survival. Conservation efforts are now paramount. Protecting these vast open spaces is not just about saving the cheetah, but about preserving the entire ecosystem in which this beautiful, fragile, and incredibly swift predator plays its vital role. From the dusty plains, our journey now plunges into the vast blue wilderness of the open ocean. Here, in a world of immense pressure and constant motion, speed takes on a different form. The champion of this realm is the black marlin, a titan of the seas and one of the fastest fish in the world. Capable of reaching speeds estimated at over 80 miles per hour, it is a living torpedo, a phantom of the deep that can appear and disappear in the blink of an eye. Its power is legendary among those who make their living from the sea. The black marlin's body is the epitome of hydrodynamic design. It is long, powerful, and fusiform, tapered at both ends to slice through the water with maximum efficiency. Its most distinctive feature is its bill, a long, sharp spear that is not used for impaling prey as one might think, but rather to slash and stun fish within a dense school, making them easier to catch. Its dorsal fin, usually kept folded down in a groove along its back to reduce drag, can be raised to make sharp turns or to intimidate rivals and predators, a sudden dramatic display of its size and power. Propulsion comes from its immense tail or caudal fin, which is crescent-shaped and incredibly stiff, allowing it to displace huge amounts of water with each powerful beat. The muscles that power this tail are among the most impressive in the animal kingdom, turning the marlin's entire rear half into a formidable engine. When a marlin hunts, it is a spectacle of raw, untamed energy. It will rocket through a school of tuna or mackerel, its bill flashing, creating chaos and opportunity in the dense shoal, before circling back to consume the dazed and injured fish. The black marlin is a highly migratory species, traversing entire oceans in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. These epic journeys are a testament to their incredible stamina and navigational abilities. They are a pelagic species, living their lives in the open water, often far from land, making them difficult to study. Much of what we know comes from sport fishermen and satellite tagging, which slowly reveals the secrets of these oceanic wanderers and their crucial role as apex predators in the marine food web. As a top predator, the black marlin has a profound impact on the structure of its ecosystem. By controlling populations of smaller fish, it maintains a healthy balance in the food chain. However, like so many ocean giants, it faces significant threats from overfishing, both commercially and recreationally, and from being caught as bycatch in nets intended for other species. Protecting these magnificent swimmers means protecting the health of our oceans as a whole, ensuring that this blue phantom can continue to race through the depths for generations to come. We have witnessed the stoop of the falcon, a creature that has conquered the vertical world. We have felt the thunder of the cheetah's sprint across the plains, a fleeting burst of life-or-death energy, and we have plunged into the silent depths with the marlin, a phantom of hydrodynamic perfection. Each of these animals, in its own unique environment, has pushed the boundaries of what is possible, becoming a living embodiment of speed. Their adaptations are not mere curiosities. They are masterpieces of evolution, sculpted by the relentless and impartial hand of nature. Their incredible velocity is a solution to the fundamental challenges of existence: to eat and to avoid being eaten. It is a strategy that has served them for millennia, allowing them to thrive in some of the planet's most competitive arenas. But the world is changing at a pace that even these speed demons cannot outrun. The skies, the plains, and the oceans are all being altered by human activity. The habitats they depend on are shrinking, and the delicate balance they maintain is being threatened as never before. The future of these remarkable specialists is now inextricably linked to our own actions. Their survival depends on our wisdom, our foresight, and our willingness to preserve the wild spaces they call home. By understanding and protecting these champions of speed, we do more than just save a single species. We safeguard the intricate web of life of which they are a vital part. We ensure that for generations to come, the skies, the land, and the seas will continue to be graced by these breathtaking displays of natural velocity.